You've just crushed your workout, and now you're wondering what to eat after. Join us as we break down the strategies for post-workout nutrition and growth that actually work. It's time to fuel up your body for recovery. Post-workout nutrition is essential for repairing and building your muscles after a workout. We're going to talk about the best foods and drinks to consume after exercise to optimize muscle recovery and growth. We understand that sometimes it can be difficult to figure out what to eat after a workout, especially if you're short on time or don't have access to a full kitchen. That's why we'll be providing quick and easy options that you can incorporate into your post-workout routine. First in line is protein, the cornerstone of muscle repair and growth. Opt for lean sources such as chicken, fish, or tofu. Aim for 20 to 30 grams of protein within 30 minutes to an hour after your workout. This will help repair and build your muscles. Next, let's dive in and talk about carbohydrates. Choose complex carbohydrates like whole grains, sweet potatoes, or quinoa. Carbohydrates provide your body with the energy it needs to replenish glycogen stores. Aim for a ratio of 3 to 1 carbohydrate to protein for optimal recovery. Don't forget about hydration. After sweating it out, it's crucial to replenish lost fluids. Water is great, but you can also try coconut water or a sports drink to replace vital electrolytes. Proper hydration can also improve your overall health and well-being. Stay hydrated. For a quick, nutritious fix, whip up a protein shake. Blend protein powder, a banana, and some almond milk for a tasty recovery treat. If you're craving snacks, Greek yogurt with berries, a handful of nuts, or a protein bar are all stellar choices to recharge post-exercise. Remember, timing is everything. Aim to eat your post-workout meal or snack within 45 minutes to an hour after your workout session to kickstart muscle recovery and growth. In addition to physical benefits, post-workout nutrition can also have mental health benefits. By providing your body with the nutrients it needs to recover and grow, you can improve your mood and reduce stress. What's your favorite post-workout meal or snack? Let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear about your go-to options for post-workout nutrition. Whether you're a beginner, a regular gym goer, or an experienced athlete, post-workout nutrition is crucial for muscle recovery and growth. By following the tips we discussed in this video, you can optimize your post-workout nutrition and take your fitness to the next level. Keep in mind that everyone's dietary needs may differ. If you have specific goals or requirements, consulting a healthcare provider like a dietitian or a nutritionist is a smart move. Thanks for tuning in to our simple guide on post-workout nutrition. If you found it valuable, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fitness tips. Here's to your health and smashing those workouts.